second. But this you can fit tell us anything in a task. I let you gas of a car. 24/7, no put in the back of my time. I've been trying to be down the road. But you know what's happening, we live on the street. We won't be able to get back on the road. We're still outside. Come on.